Alright guys, today's goal, the learner will understand how to create a box and whisker plot, also known as a box plot. How do you create that? Well, we need 5 things. The minimum, the first quartile, also known as Q1, the median, the third quartile, also known as Q3, and the maximum. And then, so how does it look? Well, you have the minimum there. That's Q1. That's the median. Q3. The maximum value. The other thing about these is 25% of the data is between these 2 points, 25% is between those, 25% is between those, and 25% of it is between those. Okay? So this is very good at observing data into quarters. That's why those are called quartiles up there. Now, so let's look at our first example. Okay. Step 1, you look at the data. The prices in the dollars of several CD players are as follows. 35, 65, 90, okay, up to 108. Make a box plot of the data and tell if the $72 CD player is more expensive than 50% of the data. Explain. Well, first step, rewrite the data in order from least to greatest. Okay, so you have 30, 35, cross them off as you go. Oh, see, and I missed another 30 there, so I have to erase this one. $30, $30, $35. Let's see, 65, 60, 55, 60. Oh, no, see? Mistakes happen. Erase. This is why we need pencil, guys. 49, 55, 60, 65, 72, 80, 90, 100, 108, 120. So we got the data all organized. Now what you need to do is find the median first. The median, which is the middle. So count up how many there are. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Well, 13 divided by 2 is 6.5. So what that means is you need to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put a little mark there. And then count from the 120 to the 65 again. Count from 72 up to 120. There should be 6 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that means your 65 is the median. So over here I'm going to say min, Q1, median, Q3, max. Well, the minimum 30. The median we just found 65. The max 120. Okay. Now Okay, so now we need to find Q1, Q3. Well, what it is the first quartile is the median of the first half of the data. So you need to go halfway between the first half of the data. Well, we have 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. That means you have to have 3 on either side. So what that does is that puts it right there. So you have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Well, when that happens, what you do is you take these two. So you say Q1 is 35 plus 49 divided by 2. Okay? So the first quartile, 42. And then same thing for the third quartile. You go 1, 2, 3, put the line there, add those two together. 90 plus 100 divided by 2, 95. Double check, I did that in my head. Okay, so yep, so the third quartile is 95. So now what we need, you need to do a number line. Now, find your range. Range is the max minus the min. So 120 minus 30, 90. Okay? So 90 of them, so let's just move by tens. So 30, 50, 70, 90, 110, 130. Now, make the box first. So 42, well there's 40. So just past that is 42. The median is the next one, 65. The third quartile is 95. So there's our box. And then the min is 30. The max is 120. So there's your box plot. Now it says, tell if the $72 CD player is more expensive than 50% of the data. Well, if I go to 72, that'd be right about here. Is it above the median? Because remember, each of these ranges are 25%. Okay? Yeah, it is, because it's above the median. That's why. Now, there's something else called interquartile range, also known as the IQR. Well, to get the range, it was max minus min. To get the interquartile range, it's Q3 minus Q1. So 95 minus 42, that would be 53 here. Okay? That tells you that there's a $53 difference between in the middle 50% of the data. Okay? So go ahead and press pause and try to make a box plot for each of these guys. Okay? And answer the questions there. Alright, well, hopefully you did this. So we'll start with Archer 1. Remember, step 1, order the data from least to from least to greatest. So 1, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9. Okay. And then set up for the second archer, you have 4, 5, 6, 6, 6, 6, 7, 8. Alright, so let's go minimum 1, Q1, median, Q3, maximum 9. Well, the median right there, 4 plus 5 divided by 2, 4.5. First quartile, well, there's 3, so you go 1.5, which means, see, I have one number there, so Q1 is 3, Q2, 8. So same thing over here. Six plus 6 divided by 2, 6. So minimum, Q1, median, Q3, max, 4, 6, 8, 5, 7. Because remember, here, this is how you can check. I have 1 and 1. I have one number on either side. I have 1 and 1. One number on either side. So that's good. Okay. So now, make one number line to graph both of these on. That one goes from 1 to 9, 4 to 8, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I'll go with the first one here. Well, 3, 4.5, 8. So there's the box. The max was 9, minimum 1. Okay, now the second guy. 5, 6, 7. The max was 8. The minimum 4. So there's making the box plots. Now let's go back up because there's more questions there. It says, make a box and whisker plot for each archer. Find the range and the IQR for each. Okay, so the range for this one, 9 minus 1 is 8. The range for this guy, 8 minus 4 is 4. So we can answer the second one, which has a smaller range, the second archer, archer 2. And then the IQR for this guy, 8 minus 3 is 5. For archer 2, 7 minus 5 is 2. So not only does he have a smaller range, he also has a smaller IQR, interquartile range. So hopefully, guys, this makes some sense. Be ready to go tomorrow.